Hello everyone, myself Arun. Hope you all are doing good. So today in this video we are providing the solution for the inventory question. Floral Beauty. It's a large floral and arrangement store located in the Asheville Mall. So here they have provided various information for the question. So they are asking us the EOQ for the current supplier and the annual ordering cost, what is the holding cost, then the total inventory cost, then the annual holding cost, and the total annual inventory cost, including the purchase cost for the new supplier as well. And in the last part, they are asking what should the Floral Beauty do. So I have provided the solution in Excel itself using the formulas. So let me show you the Excel. So here, demand D, we have taken the D as a variable for the demand, and C as the unit cost, K for the ordering cost, and H for the unit carrying cost. So here, these all are the values that we have derived from the question itself. And the unit carrying cost is the 14% of the C, that is 2.66. And then for the next remaining 7 parts of the question, so we have used various formulas to provide the solution. Here for the part A, EOQ, we have taken the square root of 2 into dk divided by 2.66, which is going to arrive as 1185.76. Then the annual ordering cost, which is equals to D divided by EOQ into K. So our answer is 1577.05. Then the annual ordering cost, which is EOQ divided by 2 into H, which is equals again 1577.05. Then the total cost, which is D into C plus Q, half of 2 into H plus 2 divided by Q square root into K. So then we have used here a lot of formulas here. So the final answer for the total cost is 4,21,154.11. Then they are asking what is the annual or holding cost for the new supplier when purchasing 2,000 each order. Then this can be calculated as 14% of 17.5. Then our value will appear as 2450. Again, we have taken the formulas here. Similarly, for the part F, total annual inventory cost when purchasing 2,000 each. Here we have to provide annual inventory holding cost plus the annual purchase cost. Then there is a formula here. We have applied the final value that is coming is 3,87,450. Since the total cost has reduced, so the new supplier option may be chosen. So now will be sharing you this Excel file. To get this file, I am sharing my WhatsApp number in the description part of this video. You can easily take this Excel file from my WhatsApp as well as from my email ID. You can mail me out or WhatsApp me. I'm happy to share. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.